How to log into your Amazon Chime account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily log into your Amazon Chime account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up any web browser and go to the search bar and simply type in Amazon Chime and simply hit enter. Now here on the result page, simply click on the first link and this should take you to the official Amazon Chime website. And now here, once you are on the home page, just look at the top right corner of the screen and just click on My Account drop down menu. And here, if you are already signed in, you will see a profile. But if not, you can just click on sign in to begin the login process. Now here on the sign in page, you need to enter the following. You need to enter your account ID or email address, and after that you need to enter IAM username if required, and after that at last you need to enter the password. And here, if you want your browser to remember your account, you can just check the box that says remember this account. And if you are having trouble signing in, you can just click on learn more or having trouble signing in link, and this will guide you through the steps to recover or reset your account. And once all your details are filled in correctly, you can just click on sign in button, and that's it. After that, you'll be logged into your Amazon Chime account and will be ready to start using the platform. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.